yan.
Huwag na.
Pus... Mamaya na.
Ano, 3,000. Ano,
Picture ba yan? Picture?
3,400.
Video ba? Nakakaway ako. Whenever I see people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light a Christmas tree. Bright tomorrow. Dorothy, ano daw? And Norwood is good. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Jesus, may we never forget the love we had for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year's comes. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.